Today we're going to make for you a very healthy and nutritious sandwich for the lunch boxes. Yes, egg and cheese baguette. Okay, let's start it. First of all, we have a baguette here. I normally prefer white soft baguette for the lunchbox especially because it's soft and it's easy for the kids to bite it. First of all, we prepare the baguette for the sandwich. It's better we cut it in small sizes. Daria,
Yeah?
do you want to help Mommy in emptying inside it? After Daria empty the baguette, I'm going to put the mayonnaise inside. You can use any mayonnaise you like. I prefer to use low fat for the kids, but depends on you which mayonnaise, or you want to make it full fat, or you can put yogurt, anything as you wish, and that's great. We just put, Daria loves her sandwich mostly with lots of mayonnaise, but it depends on your kids' taste, whether they want it a small amount or more than this. Daria, would you please bring me the cheese from the fridge?
Okay, Captain.
She's very energetic today.
I love cheese, especially on sandwiches.
Oh, yes. You can take like 2 pieces out, and it's better to make it as a triangle. Cut it, Mama, in triangle shape. That's great. You have to do it a little bit faster. Okay, now we're going to put it inside the baguette. I normally put like 2 layers of cheese in my sandwiches because cheese is very good for them and the kids, they love it. And now after that, we have to cut the eggs. Dad, you want to help Mommy in cutting it? You know, we have to make it as a circles.
Okay.
Not very thin because it's difficult, then it's going to break. Yeah, that's nice. You have to, yeah, that's great. And I'm going to put it here. Put them here. Dad, you're doing great. Yeah, we're going to put them there. Daria, put some salt and pepper on the eggs. Don't make it too spicy. And salt. I'm gonna put them here. That's great. That's really nice. Okay, we cut the eggs. As you see, it's very simple. Simple sandwich, but it's very easy to make and it's delicious. And we put the salt and pepper. Now we have to put some nuts. Daria, you wanna help Mommy? And the best part of this sandwiches is sun-dried tomatoes. Daria, what do you think of sun-dried tomatoes?
I like sun-dried tomatoes almost as much as I like normal tomatoes.
Oh, but you have to start to like tomatoes as well when, you know, but these are, you're right, they're yummy, salty, it has like a special taste. Yeah, one more, but not too much again. Okay. Now we put this here, and what we have to do is the fresh basils. We just, you know, picked it from the basil pot we have in the kitchen. We washed them, dried it, and now if we want to put it, Daria, where are you? Yeah, if you want to put it on a sandwich, you can cut it in pieces, or you can put it as a whole and, you know, just like that. Drop it here. And now we have to cut the sandwich because this is very big. I have to cut it in half. That's very nice. Yummy. Look at it. Look at this point.
So colorful.
See, it's colorful and it's nice. Daria, can you give me the box, please?
Okay.
We're going to pack it in the box. Oh, that's great. You bring the lunchbox as well. Come, Mama. Let's do it together. We open it. Okay, then slowly we put them here. Okay. Now it's time for juice.
Yum.
Just open it nicely and gonna put it here. Now the lunchbox is ready.